Welcome back to Automatic Education. Oliver Zipse, the chairman of BMW, tacitly confirmed the existence of the BMW X8, despite the lack of official confirmation on the subject. He confirmed that BMW will unveil its new vehicle in an interview. The genuine BMW X8 is scheduled for release in late 2024 or early 2025. Additionally, not a replacement, BMW's next SUV will be a higher-end vehicle. He went on to say that the car will be produced at the South Carolina facility in Spartanburg. Every vehicle that leaves this plant is an SUV made by BMW. All of this indicates that the new BMW X8 is unquestionably Oliver Zipse's confirmed vehicle. What the BMW X8 is yet unknown. Furthermore, we know very little about the car's cargo. It's reasonable to expect, though, that the new BMW X8 won't let us down. This new SUV will undoubtedly be the ideal fusion of performance and elegance. Additionally, the SUV will represent the height of performance engineering for which BMW has consistently demonstrated its builds. Nothing formal at all. Regretfully, BMW intends to keep the vehicle under wraps until its formal release. BMW, however, was observed testing a big SUV covered in a never-before-seen style. It's interesting to note that the SUV also seems to have "hybrid test vehicle" written on it. This suggests the release of a brand new electric motor that is hybrid. This car may generate enormous amounts of power when it combines a hybrid powertrain with a strong engine, such as a V6 or V8. So much so that it is reasonable to assume this will be the quickest BMW SUV ever produced. Rumors have been circulating since 2017 regarding the potential capabilities of the BMW X8. Tange, his recently shot photo of a crucifix over a BMW that he owned and frequently posted on Taraja, sparked an unproductive debate. Graphics has not yet disclosed the precise date of the BMW's introduction. We may roughly calculate the BMW X8's price to be between $100,000 and $150,000. Together with a spacious interior and commanding exterior, this SUV body design also has some modern elements. The X8's features are still unknown, but we have no doubt the Bavarians will not let us down.